please subscribe to my channel. Today is Friday. I just finished my work, coming to my home. So today what I'll show, I'm not going to work in the street, but I'll show to you the underground station, okay? And today I'm going to take Kayabatsu station to Kudanshita, then I'll take Hanjama line from there. Kudanshita to, I'll commute to Shibuya, and Shibuya to my station, which is my home station. So please stay with me and see the wonderful views today. Today is Friday. People are, so cool. They're enjoying their vacation, but today is, it's Friday, so most of the people, they are directly commuting to their home. So the Friday is a good day. Enjoy. Feel free, right? 5 days you work hard. Now it's time to enjoy. So not only work hard, but enjoy your life, right? Most of the time, what we do is just we work. We forget our families, friends, and even we forget ourselves. Prioritizing things here and there, and not seeing the things what's around. So my best things, experience in Japan, what I experience is people are so busy, even they don't have time for themselves. And today is Friday, right? So since today is raining, okay, let me show you the underground station today. It's cool. Kayabatsu station, you can see here. I just finished my work, and today, since it's raining, I could not able to show you the street views, but what I saw to you is the station and train, which is quite fascinating in the whole world, right? After New York City, we have Tokyo Metro. This is what I can say. All right, here we go. So I'll go this way. Just okay, I enter. Well, I'm going to walk rather than safety first, so better to watch your step. All right, here we are. This is Dojai line, and we have 3 and 4, platform number 3 and platform number 4. So what I'll do today, I will take platform number 4 to commute to my station, which is Kudanshita station, and from there I will transfer and direct commute to my home. It's better to close my umbrella. Train is coming. Densha Totsuku, this means train is arriving. It's coming. So this is what the meaning is. It's quite busy because this is the hour most of the office is off. So it's a busy time. You can see everywhere. It's busy. Tokyo is lifestyle is always running lifestyle, so you don't have to be amazed that why is that. Okay, so this is Kayabatsu, and I'm going to take Kayabatsu to Kudanshita station. Alright, so I'm entering the station. I can sit there. Okay, I cannot sit. So it's a very quiet. That's right. Okay, let me go here. Door is closing. Side here, like this. Let me off, and I'll show you next time. Yeah, I just arrived Kudanshita, and then I'm moving toward to Shibuya. This is the train I just took and came out, and I'm about to change my train station. And then this is how it looks like. The downstairs station is very convenient. And then this is platform number 2. And I'm going to Hanjamo line. Here we go. So morning time what I do is always I take platform number 1. So a little bit I choose different routes so that I can go easily. See Hanjamo line this way. Yeah, this is Tozai line. I just took Tozai line. Alright. So safety first. We're on underground. You can see Hanjamo line commuting to Shibuya and Oshiage. So something. Alright, so is this Hanjamo line for Oshiage? This is, I don't have to go to the Skytree. In my upcoming videos I'll show you Skytrees, but today I'm just commuting to my home and I'll show you how it look like underground train. So here we go. I'm not in rush, so I'll just show you quite amazing here. See? Maybe you cannot see, but what I can see is the Shibuya Rinka line. So this is how it looks like. This train is about to leave, right? It's within 2 minutes, maybe 20 is coming back again, so I don't have to worry. This is how it's underground train. It's so the accuracy and the speed is wonderful in Japan train. So alright, here we go. The next is the train. So hello guys, I just arrived at Shibuya station. This is the train I just took and I took off because one of the pregnant women I had over to pass over the seat, so I came out and this is the station, this is the train, this is the station. Another train is waiting for the passenger, is commuting to Oshiage, and my train, next train is commuting to Futakudamogawa, where Rakuten headquarters is there. So another train is coming. So let me show you another train, which is quite wonderful, right? Since I came to Kodansha and I commuted to Shibuya, the same train. Oh, but this one is express, so I could not able to take this one. See how people lined up and how beautiful, right? This is another Let's Act Together. They changed the color of the train, which is quite fascinating. It's good though. This is rapid train, so I cannot able to. And they are changing the train drivers. This is how it's look like, the train drivers. And the change. And this is how the passenger going up. Let's act together. This is a rapid train, so it's not going to stop every station. It will pass by many stations, so it will be quicker. So quite convenient, Chorinkai and local train. And this one will be the So this train goes to Kodansha, where I came from. So alright. So they're observing something. Since today is Friday and outside is raining, so I cannot see too much crowd because people already left. I like the color though. Comment below. Do you really like this color? Let's act together. Personally, I like it. I don't know what's your personal point of view. train just left. So let me show you inside station how it's look like. Then I'll take train from here to Sakura Shinmachi, then I'll end up my video. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, please subscribe to my channel. This year my goal is 1 million subscribers, so hopefully end of this year I'll achieve this goal, 1 million subscribers. Please comment below if you have any questions. Train just arrived. This is Shibuya, guys. This is Shibuya underground station. Dentoshi line we call. I took the Hanjamo line, then after Dentoshi line. Yeah. I'm going to take this train. It's a little bit crowded. And you can see in Japanese Shibuya, right? So until the train closes. This color symbolizes the train is going to, the door is going to close. Alright guys, see you at Sakura Shinmachi station. Just arrived at Sakura Shinmachi, and this is my station. I always use station. You can see this is the train I took from here, and see, wonderful. In Japan, is train stop and train service is so convenient. Most of the time, the staff, they always help their passenger. Is very kindly, and most of the time, you know, when you ask them, they always punctual. This is the good thing in Japan. See how wonderfully and beautifully they supported their passenger and helped them. So I think Japan's train is the best. You know, their service and everything. And this is my stations. Let me go through. Let me show you how it looks like. I will take escalator. We call in Japanese escalator. Like my Japanese family. So, 日本人の皆様ありがとうございます。私もちゃんと登録していただいてありがとうございます。まだ登録してない方もいるかと思いますが、登録していただけると助かります。This year, my goal is 1 million subscribers. So please help me to grow my channel and grow my community so that I can show the whole world how the Japan's look like, how Japan's system is. It's very fascinating. So hopefully you enjoy my videos, enjoy my content. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll try my best to answer your questions. So for now, this is much for today. In the next session, I will show you more interesting and fascinating videos. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for being with me and being with my family. Thank you.